Crazy boy. But your face smells like pancake now.
It does. I'm Lucinda and welcome to 100 Bucket List Adventures. We're currently on the bus on our way to Budva as part of our road trip through Montenegro, Bosnia and Croatia. So we spent the last couple of days in Bar, but today we're on the bus. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're on the bus.
Kids are settled with their phones and iPads as usual. Hoping Jakey doesn't get car sick because he did a bit when we were driving up into the mountains. But the journey should be about an hour. Not really sure what to expect when we get there. Haven't heard back from the Airbnb owner, so I'm hoping that our arrival time's going to be alright, but I guess we'll see.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste.
So we're about halfway through the journey now to Budva from Bar. The road is a coastline road and some of the views are just absolutely stunning. We've just been past Stefan, I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it, but it makes me laugh that way. About 20 minutes maybe, and then we'll be arriving in Budva.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at?
So, they don't really let you know where you are. You have to kind of guess when it's your stop and leap off. It was the same on the trains as well.
Here we are, you guys, in Budva. What an exceptional journey that was. Absolutely beautiful coastline. Gorgeous, picturesque, lovely blue seas, you know, cascading, rolling waves, golden sands, some ramshackle buildings, but also some new hotel developments going up as well. So I guess they're really, you know, gearing up for the sort of tourism here in Montenegro. And so they should. It's gorgeous so far, beautiful. Yeah, it's cloudy here, but it's warm. Yeah, looking forward to a little bit of sunshine in a minute. Hopefully it'll clear up. Okay, let's move on. So I'm mesmerised by Ariana Grande right now. it's like a jaw open moment. I go. Sorry.
That was not what this video is about.
Love you.
Oh dear. So we're sat at the bus station at the moment. We're having a bit of trouble getting hold of our host for our Airbnb. I've messaged Airbnb, I've WhatsApped the host, I've messaged the host through Airbnb, and I've tried to call him through WhatsApp, but there's no response so far.
I'm alright, it's Ariana Grande on the TV. It's fine. Yeah, I don't know, I mean, kind of hungry, it's lunchtime, but I guess, I think I've just spied a supermarket over there, so that's, you know, for us, that works best when we're travelling, finding a supermarket and doing, you know, cooking for all of us, because it kind of ticks every box. If you go to a restaurant with a gluten-free lad, it's tough stuff, so yeah, we'll find a supermarket, we'll get ourselves some lunch soon.
Yeah, and hopefully check into our Airbnb.
Yeah. Yes, you guys, we made it. So, yeah, we've been in contact with the Airbnb people, and yeah, we got straight here, got a taxi. I think from the bus station to here it was like €7, and the taxi driver spoke great English. He told us a bit about the climate of the country and all sorts of bits like that while we were driving, which was nice. Made great conversation, and yeah, so we're here. Now this apartment is super cheap, considering it's like 100 meters or so from the beach. It's just down the road. 5 nights we're going to be here for, and it's €100, so like €20 a night. and I don't know anywhere that's in this area, in this sort of location, that's that cheap. It's got 2 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms got a double and a single. Other bedroom's got a double as well, and all wardrobes, and it's got a kitchen-y, living roomy sort of dining room, and it's got 2 outside places. You know, this like, you know, little benches to sit, and a little bit of a garden, which is nice. You know, none of our other places had outside space like this for this kind of money. So I think we've lucked out there. Right. Like I always say, it's time for food. So we're gonna grab some lunch, find a supermarket, and eat the hunger. Alright, a little bit busy right here, right now. But yeah, this is our place. It's that one, 43, and I don't know if you can see in the distance back there, but that's where the supermarket is, right back there down that alley. So nice and close. Hopefully there's some gluten-free stuff there for Josh.
This time. No, I want
Smells so good though, right?
Oh, it smells like death. And the wellness Jaffa cakes.
That is so ironic. Wellness Jaffa cakes. As if only. Kiki. Slag.
Slag.
This is my favourite.
Slag penna. You can get some pudding. Pudding. Sausages. Paste.
Mozzarella.
Ooh la la. Ah. Is that you said, babes?
Pardon?
Alright, that was a fine shot. Mega market. So what was that? That's about 36 euros or so, and 4 bags of shopping, and yeah, a bunch of litres of water. So that was fine. Pretty handy to have a supermarket so close by. Just a few meters, really. It's really good.
Right, Mum?
Oh, good morning. Yes, this is more like it. The weather has perked up. It is gorgeous today. Pizza, €1.50. I like that, cheap lunch. Never lick the Liberty Bell.
I only have one rule. Always lick the Liberty Bell.
Or you can lick the Liberty Bell.
the sunglasses on. It's just too hot today. I knew it was going to turn out like this. Excellent. That's what we need. A bit of sunshine, bit of vitamin D soaking into the skin. It's good for everybody.
Not for me though.
Not for Josh. He's got jeans, jumper,
He's a
hat.
vampire.
He doesn't like the vitamin D. He's allergic to it, I think. So yeah, that was a nice walk to the old town. You can just see it behind me there, and yeah, really nice. Especially on a day like today, we can see everything in its full, beautiful glory. So yeah, nice trip. See some of those yachts, man? They were awesome. Whoa, that one on the end, huge. One day we'll have a boat like that. Oh, anyway, we're walking back now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing as well. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Thank God it's only Friday night. You bring my Saturdays to life. Come Sunday.